G'day, Mark Fouhy here from Farm Trader Magazine. This month we're out at Mystery Creek and we've got Ryan Burney here, KUHN product specialist, and we've got the VB
7160 high density machine.
KUHN baler. So we're going to check this out, show you the features and go make some bales shortly. Okay, we're around to pick up the business end of the baler. And what size pickup and things have we got here, Ryan?
So yeah, Mark, we've got the 2.3 metre pickup on this machine. We bring in the OC14 knife drawer in this machine, so 14 knives with group selection. Option 4, 7, 7 or 14 knives at any one time. Simply selecting that on the group selection lever on the left hand side.
Yeah, show me, and that looked pretty simple to change between swapping two sets of knives. And
yep, so you can run 7, a lot of guys like to run 7 knives for the morning. Once they become a little bit dull, simply flip the lever around, run the second set of 7 knives for the afternoon, and then sharpen in the evening and good to go for the next day.
Yep, nice and easy.
Knives in this machine, as all KUHN machines, nice and easy to remove. Once you've dropped the drop floor, like you can see down there, gives a little bit more clearance in between the drop floor and the rotor. Can release the lock lever for the knives just on this right hand side, and then the knife simply lifts up and out for maintenance, sharpening. Very simple. Sharpen the back edge, drop it back in the slot, and we're ready to go.
This is a variable belt baler, so running 4 belts, I see.
Yep, correct, 4 belts, slightly wider.
What size bales are we looking at through this machine?
So with our 7160, we can make anything from 0.8 to 1.6 metre bales.
You mentioned this little notch down here, Ryan. It looks like a little, is it there for any particular reason?
Yeah, so KUHN have added this notch with this little cutout here in the pickup to make it easy for the operator on setup, so that we can get optimum crop flow from the pickup through to the starting chamber inside the machine.
Yep.
Wee bit of a notch there. We can adjust the height of the drawbar easily on the turnbuckles. Makes it nice and simple for the operator to ensure that the crop's entering the chamber at the right position.
Yep. So you're picking up more of your crop and losing less and
100%.
wasting less time.
100%.
Nah,
nice, easy setup.
Smart idea.
Nice and simple. That's the main working screen there, so you can see up on the top left hand side there, we're currently making a 125 bale. Just on the right hand side, applying 3 layers of net. If we're actually out in the field, we'll be able to see in the centre here the current moisture percentage of the bale.
That's what you were saying about your moisture sensors on the sides and
correct.
The chamber.
Yep. We have option, you can see up there as well that it's currently in automatic, so automatic net binding, or you can change it to manual net binding if you so desire. Nice easy screen layout, simple to use, simple to adjust. Any box that's white you can touch and adjust.
Yeah. Would you say that's 3 layers of
net? Yeah. We've got
knife control down here, is it?
Correct. So that function there swaps between knives and drop floor.
Yeah.
If we put the knives in, the knife symbol will show up just here, and then we know as an operator that our knives are functioning in the machine. If we go backwards, and from here, it's our main user density settings.
Oh, okay.
So as an owner operator or contractor, you can preset the first 3: baleage, haylage and straw.
So that would change. So if I hit these, it'll...
For sure. So
yep.
Density settings have changed.
Yeah.
And then if you owned it yourself, Mark, and you wanted to chuck someone out in the field for a day,
yeah,
you could say to them, for instance, you're in straw there at the moment.
Yeah.
You know that you don't want to increase too much wear on the machine, so you could adjust your density, pressure back a touch.
Yeah.
Say to the operator, away you go, all day, and the machine will monitor.
Yeah.
Based upon the settings that you've put in there. You also have options here for customized settings. So based upon the percentages in the machine,
Yeah.
the core diameter will go from pressure setting 2 through to pressure setting 6.
Alright, yeah, yep.
Anything below 35% will be pressure setting 6. Above 35%, it will drop back to pressure setting 2.
Yep.
And then the very outer edge of the bale will be at max density.
Yeah.
So you've got the opportunity to change those from an operator or owner's perspective.
Nice and simple to do it though. And
Definitely. So yeah, and there if we're in a balerage condition, so yeah, currently core density of 5 and a outer density of 8. Once we reach the diameter here, pressure increases up to 8 to the outer core, and then we get a pulsed pressure setting right at the end to just really tighten, firm that bale down, keep nice bale shape.
Yep.
Few operator settings in there as well. So obviously you can set a delay time for net run, greasing functionalities, left right indications, and bale size correction. Easy monitor to use. You can turn on and off.
yeah, alarms.
Yeah, if you get annoyed with it.
Right, thanks Ryan.
No worries at all.
For more information on the KUHN baler, check out my review in Farm Trader magazine or at farmtrader.co.nz.